Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, maybe leave a comment saying thanks. All those really help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So, today's product is available on Amazon, and there is a link in the description that will take you to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? They are tabletop heaters by a company called East Oak. They come in 3 different colors, as you can see right in front of me here. You have this nice darker brown color, which blends great with my table. You have this kind of blue slate looking color, and then you have this lighter gray color. So no matter what your decor is, they have a color option for you. Now, install was super quick and only took approximately 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and show you how easy it is to install. As you saw, install was super quick and easy. You can see they take a 1 pound propane tank, which you can pick up at pretty much at any old retailer. This will simply screw in the base here at the bottom, and then they have these nice little magnetic doors that keep that little propane tank hidden. As far as starting them up, really easy. You're going to take the dial, turn it, push it in and turn it to the on position. You're gonna hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds. Then you're gonna move it back to the off and quickly flip it back to the on. You're gonna hear a click, and that is lighting the pilot light. You're gonna hover on the on button for a little bit, and then when you release it, you're going to then turn it off to set your desired temperature. If the pilot light goes out, just repeat the process again until you get it lit. Sometimes it takes a couple times. But let's go over the specs of these awesome little heaters. So first off, they are made out of a stainless steel material, which means they can withstand the weather and the elements. The base here is a powder coated, and then the top part is stainless steel. You can see it does have a safety mechanism around the top, which keeps you from accidentally touching the heated coils, which you can see are super red there and hot. Now, it does have the design of being able to throw this thing 360 degrees, which is going to throw it up about 4 to 5 feet. So it is perfect for sitting around a table because everyone at the table will stay nice and warm and be able to feel that heat. Now, because it is a 1 pound propane tank, depending on your heating setting, you're going to easily be able to get 2 hours, maybe at the low end, 8 hours on the higher end, depending on how hot you have it and how quickly this propane tank wears out. As far as the size, let's cover that. So the top part is 21¼ inches wide. The base is 13½ inches wide approximately. And then from the very bottom to the tippy top is 37.5 inches tall in total. And you can kind of get an idea of how tall this is around my table. It stays up high enough so if you have food or anything like that, it's not going to be throwing that heat too quickly down and melting cheeses and things like that, which is really important and great. Now, it also has a lot of safety features built into it. First off, it does have a 45-degree tilt, so if it tilts more than 45 degrees, it will auto shut off the gas and automatically turn off the flame so you don't have a fire. It also here on the bottom has a nice weighted base that keeps this nice and secure on the table. Now you will see it is easy to pick up. It is fairly light, so it's easy to move and put away in storage, which is really, really nice. That is the ins and outs of the East Oak tabletop propane heaters. If you are in the market, I do totally recommend them. They work out really, really nice. Liven up your backyard, or if you have a restaurant or something like that, they work great on the tables. If there is something that I didn't cover that you're curious about, feel free to hit me up on the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And yeah, that is it. So until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.